Hello everyone. Sorry I was late, and welcome back to this episode of Woodpecker Racing. And we apologize, as Chris McLean had told me the problem. And now here comes Airroy Jetson. Remember him on the first season? Oh yes, definitely that. Yeah, is that cool? Now let's get back to the track.
Okay, I was ready. What is he doing here?
Tell me about it. Wait, Judy, is that Airroy? Oh, he's right there. Oh, tell me about it. Whatever. I certainly agreed.
Why is the Clarence a mob? I had the new mobile.
Yep. Well, I have my own friend, Entree.
Wait, who's that guy?
Long story. Shush! The race is starting now!
Oh yeah, the race has finally started.
Ready? It's set. Go! There goes all of them. And the race has finally started. But wait, what's that mystery force is wearing a black jacket? I'm not sure. It might be the mysterious force. I'm not sure. Let's get back to the racers again, shall we? Yep, let's, shall we? See, wanna get some soda? Yep. As you can see, all the racers are in the territories. Hey, look, is that Bob holding the stormtrooper helmet? Lucius is on the race. Oh, not this time. What the heck? What Lucius are doing? When I stop here, Sammy, it looks like I just sabotage the race, and I'll do it for Captain D, and I can finally win the race. Moment. Use the changed maps, and I could fool them, and I could, and revenge shall be mine. Wee. Okay, activate the ice worm. Wee, monsieur. What the heck? Now. Wee, monsieur. Looks like that's the end of Gumball Watterson. I should have get his car turn into a rocket. Thank you.
Wait a minute, that must be Lucius's trap. No, don't go stop them. What then the minions are doing? Okay, key. Okay. Okay. Go. Okay.
Finally, way out. And looks like the minions are in a slingshot to escape
to escape Lucius Heinous the Savage's death trap.
Look, Kevin made it through.
Oh look, his active crew escapes. And Clarence and a Lazy Bones mobile vehicle escapes too.
And there's the three little charities. Oh, and Steven Universe using the bubble powers. Oh, and there's the big fat wolf. And Mommy Exploderson launched backwards. And Maleficent using the dragon powers. And the worm has died. Breathing. Curses. We have to go to Plan B. To the Miseryville Mobile. Well, looks like his plan doesn't go so well, and Woody Woodpecker should first place. And I'll blow the cart in. Oh no, we're gonna die. Why? Ooh, that's gotta hurt. These two is out of the race. Yep, you said it. Wait, watch this. Looks like Elroy has a magnetic opportunity to pick up all the cherries. I'm on my way. Well, it looks like all the racers are still here. Let's go to Chris McLean and check it out the map. Hi, racer fans. I'm afraid it looks like that racer, the three little cherries, and the big bad wolf was temporarily out of action. And let's go check it out on the track and see the problem. Are you holding the camera? Yes, sir. A moment, and look, Woody Woodpecker's in first place. Wait!
Why, you?
I bring Lucius Anus the Savage is taking a look. But look, it's Sheldon J. Plankton in this plank tail coming right fast. Curtis, he's coming too close. You will drop down in the race. No, I want her. You will drop down in the race. No, I want her. To steal the Gary Petty formula. I mean, look at you. Suck my blue, monsieur. Look at your car. You're never gonna win the race in that. Yeah, I agree. If you help me win, we're gonna have to win in 50-50s. 60-40, my flavor. It always works. Ugh, that hurts. Ugh, never mind. Lucius Anus the Savage is first, and Woody Woodpecker is second, and the Annoying Orange is third. Curses, we gotta stop them. But how? I say stop the car. Come on. Hey, that's a direction, and no one is to stop me. Wait a minute. Where are the cartoon characters? Let's go to the track. Wait, let's go Chris and Lindsay scope and check the map and scope and see. Oh, hi campers, and I can see the problem. So, I can see the problem. I guess that dummy old Lucius Anus the Savage are up to trouble. Sincerely like that. I guess all the racers are stuck in the bottom at a dead end. Wait a minute, that's a bunch of the same worms. Oh, we better be quiet. You don't want to wake up all the worms now, would you? Why, thank you. Whoa, look. Bob is helping the other racer to escape the death trap. So anyways, let's get back to the track again, shall we? Yep. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you... Oh, hey, wait. Hey, what are you... Nope, I got this. Oh. Hey. Hey, wait. Para tú, Kevin. Hey, hey, Bob. Hey. Wee. Again, that was a close one. Bob is our hero, and he finally escapes, and he's still sleeping. That was a close one. I'm afraid all the racers are safe on the death trap. Oh, Gumbo, you better watch out for the peak. Peak? What happened next? Let's go to a quick commercial break, and we'll be right back.